Hi, welcome back. My name is Chef Eric and I'm here with the Cancer Fighters and we're going to do another recipe. Hopefully you watched and you enjoyed the smoothie with the fresh carrots and mangoes that we did last time. But this time we're going to do a cookie dough high energy bite. So this is for someone who doesn't have a lot of time to sit down and eat a meal but needs a quick pick-me-up. Or if someone needs a little extra protein or a little extra boost in their diet, this is a good, healthy, organic snack that you can enjoy. So we have our ingredients listed here. So this is an all-natural organic peanut butter that you can find at pretty much any type of store that sells healthier foods. This is a local grown honey. You can use any honey that's local to your area. This one's that's found here in Arizona. We also have here, we have this vanilla whey powder. We have our ground flax seeds, we have our dark chocolate chips, and we have our wheat germ. This is going to be very simple. All you're going to do is mix these ingredients together until you get like a little Play-Doh-ish type texture to your dough. Roll them into little bite sizes, and then we're going to roll it into the wheat germ at the very end. So here we go. What we're going to start doing is adding all of our ingredients and mixing it together really well. So you always try to add your more liquid items first. That way your powdery items won't stick to the bottom of your mixing bowl. That's the peanut butter. Then we go with the honey. If you want as well, you can heat your honey up a little bit. That way it comes out of your mix, your measuring cup a little bit easier. So when you add your two liquid ingredients, you'll just kind of mix it together really fast, just to kind of break up your peanut butter. 3 tablespoons of chocolate chips. So the mixture for these bites is going to be pretty dense. It's going to be pretty thick. So the best way is to take a couple spoons and just kind of portion it out. This is called making a quenelle. You don't have to get this fancy, but it helps me because that way I know exactly my portion size and I can keep them consistent. And then you're going to pick them up. If you have rubber gloves, I recommend it. And you're just going to kind of turn them into little balls. Just do a little roll action. And because they are a little bit sticky and a little bit tacky, that's why we finish them off by rolling them into this wheat germ, because that's going to keep it from sticking together. And you'll be able to store those and take them with you if you're out of the house. And what I would recommend is refrigerating these for about 2 hours before you package them up and take them with you. If you keep them cold, you'll keep the integrity of the size and the shape, and they won't stick together so much. Well, this is our final product. This is how you put together these bite-sized little cookie dough energy bites. I think you're going to enjoy it. Anyone at home can make these. You don't need any cooking equipment. And I think everyone that will try these will really enjoy them. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you next time.